Okay, we want to mark an x if the number is divisible by 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, or 9. So we have 1 divisible by 2. We have now 1755. So is 1755 divisible by 2? Well, um, the divisible rule 2 is if it ends in 0, 2, 4, 6, or 8. Do I see a 2, 4, 6, or 8, or a 0? No. So we don't put x here. For 3, the rule for divisible by 3 is we have to add up the numbers. So we'll do 1 plus 7 plus 5 plus 5. So 5 plus 5 is 10, plus the 7 is 17, plus the 1 is 18. So we end up with 18. So 18 divided by 3 equals 6. So yes, we put an x over here. The divisible rule for 4 is look at the last two digits. And see if they're divisible by 4. 55 is not divisible. 55 is not divisible by 4, so we don't put x there. The divisible rule for 5 is does it end in 0 or 5? Yes. We have a 5 here, so we put an x here. For 6, the divisible rule for 6 is does it have 2 and 3? No. And 9, the divisible rule for 9 is add the digits together, which is 18, and divide that by 9, and we get 2. So yes, it's divisible by 9. So we put x here. Okay, let's go to the next number. 298 is 298 divisible by 2. Yes, because we have 8 at the end, so yes, we put an x. For 3, we want to add, so we have 2 plus 9 plus 8. 9 plus 8 is 17, plus the 2 is 19, so 19 divided by 3 is, it doesn't go in evenly, so we don't put x there. For 4, divisible by 4, look at the last two digits. If it's divisible by 4, yes, no, it's not. Actually, no. 98 is not divisible by 4, so no. We go for the divisible rule for 5. Does it end in 0 and 5? No. The divisible rule for 6. Does it have 2 and 3? It has a 2 but doesn't have a 3, so no. Divisible rule for 9 is add the digits. So we come up with 19, of course, divided by 9. No, that doesn't go in evenly. 19 divided by 9 does not go in evenly, so that's out. So we just put an x here for the 2. Okay, we have 4,000. Is 4,000 divisible by 2? Yes, because it ends with a 0. For 3, divisible by 3, we add 4 plus 0 plus 4 plus 0 plus 0 plus 0. That gives us 4. Is 4, divisible by 3? No, so we don't put an x there. For divisible rule for 4, look at the last two digits. Is it divisible by 4? Yes. 4,000 is divided by 4. It could go in evenly, so yes, we put an x. For 5, divisible by 5 doesn't end in a 0 or a 5. Yes, it does. For 6, divisible rule for 6 does it have a 2 and 3? No. Divisible rule for 9 is you add up all the digits, so that would give us just 4. So it would be 4 divided by 9. No, it doesn't work out, so forget about it. So you put an X under the 2, the 4, and the 5. Okay, so we go to 3,270. Is it divisible by 2? Yes, because it ends in a 0, so you put an X. Is it divisible by 3? Okay, so let's add 3 plus 2 plus 7 plus 0. 7 plus 2 is 9 plus the 3 is 12. 12 divided by 3 equals 4. So yes, is divisible by 3. Put an X there. Is it divisible by 4? The last two digits. We have 70. No. 70 is not divisible by 40, so no, forget about it. Let's go to 5. Is it divisible by 5? Yes, because it ends in a 0. For 6, divisible by 6 is yes, because it has a 2 and 3, as you can see. So yes, it is divisible by 6. Put X there. And for 9 is we add up the digits, which we know is 12. So we do 12 divided by 9. No, that doesn't work out. So you don't put X there. So we put X underneath the 2, the 3, and the 5 and the 6. So this is all the correct answers right here. So let's now move on to a few exercise problems so we understand the concept of what are we doing here.